Denver Roadway construction worker accident attorney. Construction zones are dangerous places for construction workers. If you've been injured due to someone else's negligence while working in a construction zone, our Denver Roadway construction worker accident lawyer can help. Contact Front Range Injury Attorneys for a free case review of your accident injuries. Every year, hundreds of construction workers suffer serious or fatal injuries due to dangerous work conditions, car accidents, defective products, and unsafe practices. If you've been injured working in a road construction site, you may be entitled to recover damages. You need experienced Denver Roadway construction worker accident lawyers to help you recover for your injuries and damages. Contact our Denver law office to learn more about how we can help you. At Front Range Injury Attorneys, we care about helping our clients throughout their cases. We believe clients are best served when our Denver personal injury attorneys participate in their cases from start to finish. We help our clients get the best treatment for their injuries. By building up your case from the beginning, we build a strong case to get the best results. Contact our office to discuss your Colorado Roadway construction worker accident injury case. We offer free case reviews for injury and accident cases across the state. Road construction work is extremely hazardous. When workers suffer injuries in construction zones, often there are several parties involved who may or may not be responsible for your injuries. In many cases, those parties will point the finger at each other and leave you to figure out who's really at fault. If you don't take the right steps at the right time, you can seriously hurt your ability to recover compensation for your accident injuries. An experienced Denver Roadway construction worker accident lawyer can take the burden of figuring out the legal and insurance issues off your shoulders so you can focus on taking care of your injuries. Our accident attorneys help clients in construction accidents get the medical treatment they need and the compensation they deserve. Colorado has a large number of roadway construction projects every year, due in part to winter weather damage and a growing population. According to CDOT, the rate of injuries and fatalities to road construction workers is on the rise. If you suffered injuries in a roadway construction accident, you may be entitled to compensation for your injuries, medical bills, and other damages. You need an experienced Denver Roadway construction worker accident lawyer to help you navigate these complex cases. We can help you pursue the compensation you deserve. Contact Front Range Injury Attorneys for your free case review.